YouTube. So another update video on the Jeep. We're going to be replacing the tires. Right now I've got the Kumo Road Venture MTs on there. They're 33 by 12.5 by 15s. They're on a 15-inch by 8-inch D-slot wheel. So these have been worn down pretty well. As you can see here, it's pretty worn down. The backs aren't as bad, and I probably should have done a better job at rotating them. As you can see, the spare's got a lot more lug on it. Probably should have rotated that one in as well. But we're going to go with the we're going to end up going with the BFG KO2, same size, 33, 12.5 by 15. It should be a quieter tire on the road. I notice whenever I go over, for example, our alleyway, which is pitched, and it rides on the edge of these. Pretty heavy vibration. And again, I don't know if these tires are well balanced or not, so we're gonna end up getting those put on. Going to Discount Tire to get that taken care of, and we'll see how that experience goes. From what I understand, the Discount Tire has a tough time balancing large tires on wheels, so we'll see how it goes. Once I get it taken there, I'll shoot a quick update, and then we'll get it put on and go for a drive, and I'll let you know how it rides. So this is with the Kumo tires on right now, kind of giving a little bit of a test drive. And we'll get out here on the road so you guys can hear some road noise. So leaving the tire shop, just went and got some gas. I'll tell you what, guys, I am amazed at how smooth these tires are in comparison. It's like I'm not even, to be honest, it's like I'm not even moving. It's so smooth. That's how surprised I am. So we'll get out here on the road and we'll take it for a drive here. Camera mounted on a windshield mount, so if there's any indication of how bouncy it was before, it's how bouncy the video was versus how it is now. So it's 30 miles an hour. 40 miles an hour. Very smooth. So here's the final result. You can see I've got the BFG all-terrain KO2s. So pretty cool tread pattern. Same dimension. I feel like they may stick out just a little bit, but I mean it's the exact same tire. So definitely getting some extra height there because of the lugs that were worn down from the other tires. But man, drives smooth all around. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any other comments, questions, or anything about the tires, questions that you might have. Thanks, guys.